Okay, so right now I am planning my social media content uh, till the end of the year, getting ideas here and there, doing a little bit for each season. So I am today looking at the holiday season of Christmas, and we are going to be using Magic Media to use their AI to create an image for Christmas. So I have a little description that I'm going to just paste into here, and let's see what kind of image it gives me. So I might need to condense it down a little bit. Cozy Christmas morning. Let's go with this. Children unwrapping gifts around a tree adorned with vintage ornaments and tinsel, toys are scattered with a warm glow on the mantle. Let me just see what else I have. And snow outside. Okay. So, cozy 1950s Christmas morning. Children unwrapping gifts around a tree adorned with vintage ornaments and tinsel. Toys are scattered with a warm glow from the tree and fireplace. The room has nostalgic vintage feel with stockings on the mantle and snow outside. Let's see what they can generate. Sometimes it takes a few goes at a few different prompts, changing things before you get what you want, but this is reminding me of a Christmas card from when I was younger. It's so cute. So this is definitely one I'm going to save to use. Oh, that is so cute. The only thing is that because it is AI generated, some things look a little bit strange. Where this one has two fireplaces and the tree is on the fireplace, so we'd probably not go with this one. Let's have a look at this one. This one's a little more normal. Let's check everyone out. The old man looks a little bit young, but he could do. So we'll just check these other ones out. This one I can see there's someone sitting up here, so I'd probably avoid this one because it looks a little creepy. And we have this one. It's very cute too. You know, I'm going to save two of them, and then they can be used for my Christmas social media. So we're going to go back and we're going to write something else. Okay, so how about this time we want to do something for Thanksgiving? So a Thanksgiving meal. I like the vintage style with families sitting around. And pumpkin pie, because it's something I definitely want in there. Let's see if it can come up with something for us. Okay, we've got some quite different families it's generated. Let's first look at this one. Wow, that is one big chicken or turkey. It's looking very nice and vintage. Their eyes are looking a little bit funky. Let's have a look at this one. It's very funky looking. I feel like I need a different kind of prompt for this. This one actually looks like it could be a photo. Their eyes are all wonky. So this is where AI is not doing us well today. Yeah. So their faces are a little distorted. So we can press generate again and see if it comes up with something else. Otherwise I'll move on to something else and think of a prompt for that one. Oh, they just look creepy. Okay, so this is not doing the eyes so well, but let's move on and we'll go to like a Halloween this time. This is always really fun to explore. So we're looking for a sheet ghost, vintage style, not scary, but in a spooky background setting. See if we can get something from here. Oh, these are really spooky. Oh, but this one's good. We're liking this one. Okay, so last time I did this, I actually popped in that I wanted it moody. A sheet ghost, vintage style, not scary, but in a old house. Oh, today it is just giving me the scariest ghosts. That one literally has no feet on it. Wow. Okay, I feel like we need a sheet ghost, vintage style, not scary, but in an old house. No. But looking like a photo portrait. Oh, like a portrait painting is maybe what we're wanting. A lot of the apps on Canva have like a limit of how many times you can do it, but I have not yet come to the limit of Magic Media, so I'm not sure if they have one. Oh, she's a bit scary. This is what I'm wanting. Something like this. I really like that. Okay, so we've looked at Christmas background. I'm going to be using a couple of Halloween. Now I'm going to show you the videos. Okay, so we might actually try and pop in the same kind of prompts to do like the vintage Christmas scene. Do I still have them on here? Yes. Toys, we just need to make this smaller so I can put some, I really want to have the snow outside. Mantle and snow outside. Okay, so this one takes a little longer to generate. Let's see what we can get. Okay, let's see what we got. I'll pop it onto here. Whoa! Okay, so this is where AI is really not up to speed. A child's face looks a bit funky to start with anyway. But if you can see, let's go into this. Go all the way through. The presents are floating down, and yeah, it's just a bit funky. So you get some wins, some fails. But overall, we're very happy with these ones. use these ones, but their video is not quite what I want it to be at the moment. The other one I did a video on is this one, and the people are kind of walking a little bit backwards, as you can see, but that is quite a cool video because it's spooky Halloweenish. Alright, thanks for joining me today.